Today, we're shedding light on how a professional fire extinguisher service ensures your property is up to code. It's not just about having fire extinguishers hanging on the walls. It's about their condition, placement, and regular maintenance. So picture this. You own a business or manage a property, and you want to make sure it's fire safe. Where do you start? Well, the first step is choosing the right fire extinguisher for your specific needs. And that's where a fire extinguisher service comes in. Let's break it down. 1. Assessment of property. Trained professionals will evaluate the unique risks and determine the types of fire extinguishers required. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. They consider the layout, the materials present, and the potential fire hazards. 2. Regular inspections. Once you've got the right extinguishers in place, the service doesn't stop there. Regular inspections are key to maintaining compliance. These are not just routine checkups. They are detailed examinations of each extinguisher to ensure they're ready for action when needed. 3. Changes in codes. A fire extinguisher service keeps you in the loop. They stay updated on the latest standards and make sure your property evolves with them. It's not just about meeting the minimum requirements. It's about staying ahead and prioritizing safety. 4. Proper placement of extinguishers. But what about emergencies? That's where proper placement of fire extinguishers comes into play. The service will strategically install extinguishers in accessible locations, making sure they are visible and easily reachable in case of a fire. 5. Maintenance. Fire extinguishers are not set and forget. They need regular servicing. A fire extinguisher service ensures that your extinguishers are in top-notch condition, from checking pressure levels to inspecting hoses and nozzles. 6. Training. Educate your staff or tenants on how to use a fire extinguisher. A service can provide training sessions, ensuring that everyone on the property knows the basics of fire safety. E7. Fire Safety Certificate. A fire extinguisher service ensures that your property receives this essential document, confirming that it meets all fire safety regulations. Displaying this certificate proudly assures everyone on your property that their safety is your top priority.